Hi, my name is Robin Bowron. I'm the Director of Career Services here at the Lincoln Mall campus in Lincoln, Rhode Island. And some of the things that we do here at this campus is to help students to find their careers. And one of the ways we do that is hosting career fairs. So today we hosted our summer career fair and we had 65 employers attend. Some of the employers came from throughout Rhode Island, Massachusetts. We had a bunch of alumni show up. We also had a visitor today, our town administrator, Philip Gould from Lincoln, and he toured the campus and he was so impressed how large the career fair was, and he was so impressed with the employers that were here and the students that were mingling with the employers, the alumni that showed up, and he can't wait to come back again.
They're always looking for our feedback to be able to improve not just the program, but the way that they present their students, the way that they can give them that well-rounded education. I feel like without that feedback, it'd be pretty hard to stay current with the changing times. So it's essential in my eyes for Lincoln Tech to continue to do that, and we're happy to be a part of that.
We've partnered with Lincoln Tech for years now. Great leadership running the programs here at Lincoln Tech. They produce some great students and great candidates into the workforce. So it's a great partnership. We want to help out in any way we can. If that's providing an avenue for workforce, that's perfect. That's what we like to do.
Our brand has been around for 22 years, and we are looking for that awesome student that Lincoln Tech provides. They have great hands-on skills, and we're happy to have them come visit us. They are dedicated first and foremost to the success of their student, and that translates into the quality of the candidate that we get.
I graduated from here. It was great. It was fantastic. I had no complaints, really. I'm not the only person that works there from Lincoln Tech. We also have one more person, and both of us would say that it's a really good fit.
We come to Lincoln Tech because we hear a lot of great things about the program here. We've been invited. We have several of our practice managers and administrators that have partnered with the professors here, so we are very excited to be here.
We come to Lincoln Tech because we've had a lot of students that actually have come through our nurse residency program and gained the experience to work in home care. So it's just a great opportunity for you as an LPN to work with pediatric and adult clients in the home environment. And as I said, you gain all the skills through our nurse residency program to be able to feel confident once you're out in the field.
Lincoln Tech is a great school. This is an alumni
of Lincoln Tech. From Lincoln Tech because I know they get a lot of hands-on experience on the field, and I feel like any nurse that comes from Lincoln Tech would be a great nurse.
Lincoln Tech puts out such an amazing massage therapy student. They are the best of the best, in my opinion, and I love everybody here. They do such a phenomenal job.
So I got to tell you, it's pretty exciting to come out here. First off, I had no idea how big this was and how many programs you offered. One of the things I'm really impressed about is having such an influx into the workforce, because there's so many businesses locally within Lincoln, but throughout the state, where we're looking for good employees to come out and get involved. I'm actually here today because we're looking to potentially hire a help desk person for computer IT stuff, and you offer that program. So I'm looking to make some connections. But again, it's nice to see that a lot of employers are looking for help. We need to fill those spots, and it's nice to see that somebody's making it happen. And certainly Lincoln Tech seems to be leading the way on that.